Doing this door-to-door campaign, you're getting feedback from people. How has it been so far?
I think very interesting and very exciting. And I think one common thing which is emerging is that people want change. Because I think people are really fed up. Because in the last 10 years, and especially in the last 5 years, I think no work has been done. People are struggling to get even a small motor of a tube well to get it repaired, and there is absolutely no MLAs are not active. Nobody is there to listen to the problems of people. In fact, even in this village, we just had a Jan Sabha, and now we are going for door to door and a meeting in the Valmiki area. People here are complaining that the sewer which you are seeing, they are absolutely full. They are choked, and there is nobody who will come and clear the sewer lines.
So you have just listed the problems, that the Bijwasan constituency is facing. What solution are you proposing to these people?
Solution is very simple. BJP is coming to power. There will be a BJP CM. There is already BJP in center. LG is appointed by the center. I think all three will work for betterment of Delhi in the interest of people. One party which started its career in 2015 by saying that they will work for Aam Aadmi. I think somewhere they've absolutely gone on a different path of telling total lies, getting involved in corruption. This is also very interesting. One party which started sort of crusade against corruption. If I speak in Hindi, तो लोगों ने कहा कि जी कांग्रेस में करप्शन आने में 50-60 साल लग गए, लेकिन इन्होंने तो बहुत स्पीड से मात्र 10 साल के अंदर one single party, not only India, probably in the entire world, where at one point of time the sitting CM and maybe sitting CM, two ministers, their deputy CM, all in the jail because of corruption.
So, sir, the solution that you're proposing is that the double-engine Sarkar will solve all the problems of Delhi.
Double engine Sarkar will solve all the problem, because I think Aam Aadmi Party, instead of working for people, instead of putting the people's interest in the front, I think they put their political ambitions in the front, and the people's interest or the work of Janta, that took a backseat. They did only politics, and that too, I think, not constructive politics.